In a small neighborhood lived a girl named Lisa. Lisa was a curious little girl with bright blue eyes and a heart full of adventure. One sunny afternoon, she ventured into her backyard with her new beagle puppy, Freddie. His floppy ears bounced as he scampered beside her, tail wagging with uncontainable joy. "Let's explore," Lisa declared, and off they went into the garden, where wildflowers danced in the gentle breeze. Lisa picked a daisy and tucked it behind Freddie's ear, giggling as he shook his head, trying to shake it off. Suddenly, Freddie's nose twitched. He spotted a butterfly fluttering nearby. With a playful bark, he chased after it, weaving through the flowers. Lisa followed, her laughter ringing through the air. The butterfly led them to a hidden corner garden, where a small, sparkling pond lay nestled among the trees.
Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create such amazing videos step by step, so buckle up and let's begin. To create our story, we are going to use ChatGPT AI. Enter the prompt into the prompt box, and your story will be generated. Once your story has been generated, you can then copy it to use later. While still in ChatGPT, enter another prompt to generate more prompts. These are the prompts you'll use later to create different scenes in the video generator. To create the video, we are going to use Haiper AI. Haiper AI is a paid video generator, but it offers a few free credits you can use to generate you videos. To begin, enter your prompt, set the style to 3D animation, then hit create. You can see that generating this video will cost us 20 credits, of the 100 free credits Haiper AI gives us. Note that the prompts we generated from ChatGPT for our scenes are the ones we are going to be entering here. But you can change them a little bit to suit the kind of scene you are looking for. This is how our generated video looks like. To generate other scenes, we will just keep editing the same prompt a little each time. But make sure things like the girl's features like the color of her eyes and the puppy's breed stay consistent in every prompt. Make sure to also have the 3D animation style indicated in every prompt. Enter different prompts until you have all the scenes you need. Note however that your 100 free credits will give you about 5 4-second videos only, so you'll need to be creative while putting your video together. For our voiceover, we are going to be using 11 Labs. Here we are going to paste in our original short story we copied from ChatGPT to generate an audio version of it. Now look through the different voices available in 11 Labs and select one suitable for your type of story. Once you've set the voice, you can then generate your audio.
In a small neighborhood lived a girl named Lisa. Lisa was a curious little girl with bright blue eyes and a heart full of adventure.
If you are satisfied with the result, download your audio. Now we have both our voiceover and video scenes ready. Let's create our cartoon video. For this, we are going to use Canva. Go to Canva, then Video, and open a new page. Go to Uploads and upload the voiceover from 11 Labs and all your different video scenes. On your fresh page, enter the voiceover. Then enter the videos corresponding to the different parts of the voiceover. Since we have fewer video scenes, we have to be creative. We are going to duplicate some scenes to make them longer and also use some clips in more than one scene. For every clip, enter it, then set it as the background so that it fills the page. If you are using the free version of Haiper AI, the videos you generate come with a watermark. To remove it, crop that part of the video that has it. Now let's see how our video turned out.
In a small neighborhood lived a girl named Lisa. Lisa was a curious little girl with bright blue eyes and a heart full of adventure. One sunny afternoon, she ventured into her backyard with her new beagle puppy, Freddie. His floppy ears bounced as he scampered beside her, tail wagging with uncontainable joy. "Let's explore," Lisa declared.
To download your video, go to Download, select MP4, then hit Download. Subscribe for more cool videos like these.